On the third day in the Azores, we will move northeastwards, towards the Caldera Velha, to admire the spectacular thermal water pools in the forest. Along the way, we will make a short stop at the most spectacular viewpoint of São Miguel, the Miraduro do Lagoa do Fogo, the viewpoint of the Fire Lake. Lagoa do Fogo is a natural jewel of São Miguel, offering a serene escape into nature with its picturesque landscapes, clear waters, and lush greenery. It's a must-visit location for anyone traveling to the Azores. The viewpoint is at the top of the central part of the island, and the clouds were a few meters above our heads. The combination of these two factors made seeing the landscape a truly special experience. And after the Lagoa do Fogo viewpoint, going down north, in 10 minutes by car, you arrive at the natural monument of Caldera Velha.
Monumento natural.
As soon as you enter the park, you can immediately perceive it from your first steps that the area is surrounded by dense, verdant forests, and the journey to Caldera Velha is a scenic adventure in itself, offering glimpses of the island's rugged terrain and diverse flora. The highlight of Caldera Velha is undoubtedly its thermal pools, which are fed by natural hot springs. These pools vary in temperature, providing a range of options for visitors seeking to soak in the warm, mineral-rich waters. The main pool, with its inviting emerald green hue, is set against a backdrop of towering ferns and lush vegetation, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. The water temperature here is typically around 38 to 39 degrees Celsius, perfect for a relaxing dip. A smaller, cooler pool offers a refreshing contrast and is ideal for those who prefer a less intense heat. The geothermal waters are known for their therapeutic properties, promoting relaxation and well-being, making Caldera Velha a popular spot for both locals and tourists looking to unwind in nature's embrace. Adding to the site's charm is a picturesque waterfall that cascades into one of the thermal pools. The waterfall, fed by the warm waters of the hot springs, creates a soothing soundscape that enhances the tranquil ambience of Caldera Velha. The gentle flow of water over the rocks, combined with the surrounding lush greenery, makes this spot particularly photogenic and ideal for nature lovers and photographers alike. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will go to Furnace to see the lake and the steaming calderas and fumaroles.